Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we are going to make NG Fruity Pebbles type bath salts. Let's whip it up! So today we are going to be making a bath salt. We're going to be using our brand new fragrance oil, NG Fruity Pebbles type. Amazing fragrance oil. It smells so good. It is a fruit bouquet, if you will. So what we're going to create is a layered bath salt. It's going to be a rainbow effect, if you will. We're going to be doing 6 colors. We're going to use Epsom salt for the bulk of the bath salt. We're also going to add in a little powdered buttermilk just to give the bath salt's a little something extra. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start with our first color. We are going to do yellow. We're going to go ahead and add the color in first. For the yellow, we're using 3 drops. And we'll add it right to the baggie. And then we'll seal the baggie. And just give it a shake and mix it around a bit. Okay, once that color is nice and even, we'll go ahead and add in our fragrance oil. We're going to add about 15 drops of the fragrance oil to each of these bags. And the next thing that we're going to add is going to be the powdered buttermilk. To each bag, we'll add about a tablespoon of the powdered buttermilk. Since I'm using a teaspoon, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 of these. Now we'll just mix it all together. And I actually really like the effect that I get when I add the powdered buttermilk last, because it kind of gives the bath salts a little bit of a coating, like a frosted type coating. So I think it's really cool. All right, let's move to our next color. We're just going to repeat this process. This time we're going to create an orange bath salt, and we're going to use 2 drops of the red Da Balm soap dye and 2 drops of the yellow Da Balm soap dye. All right, and the next we're going to move to the red. So for the red, this time we are using the tomato red fun soap colorant, and we're going to add about 3 drops of the fun soap colorant. Okay, and the next color we're going to do is going to be the purple. For the purple, we are using the deep purple fun soap colorant, and we're going to add about 3 drops of that colorant. Okay, next we're going to do the blue. We are using the Da Balm soap dye in blue for this one, and we're just going to add a couple drops. Okay, and the final color is going to be the pink. So for the pink, what we're going to do is use just a little bit of the tomato red fun soap colorant. So we're going to use a toothpick to add just a tiny, tiny bit of the tomato red. So we'll dip our toothpick right into our colorants. And then we'll just dip our toothpick right into our salt here. Okay, so now that we have everything mixed together, we are ready to go ahead and fill our milk container here. We're just going to use a funnel and we're going to layer the colors in. You can do this in whatever order you would like. We did our yellow, our orange, our red, our purple, our blue, our pink, and then we repeated the process. You could do it in any order that you would like. One thing I do find when I'm filling the jar, I kind of move the funnel around a little bit so that it gets all of the corners and spreads a little more evenly. And you'll notice I'm kind of packing it down on the top. The reason I'm doing this is because, if you were to ship it or even move it around a little bit, you don't want these layers to intermingle, if you will, and lose your nice layered look. So I like to push it down a bit. All right, now we'll just put the lid on top. And there you have it. Making your own bath salts is really that simple. For even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you like the video, and you comment below. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.